secret history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city. Dating when from the other country. Ito Manila, Quezon City. Caloocan, Pasay, Makati. Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque.
Huwag kayong kalapit sa akin.
From the north, Batanes, Apare.
Gitna.
Ilocos Norte, Ilocos
Gitna.
Norte. Isabela, Cagayan Valley. Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City. Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya.
Huwag kayong lumapit sa akin.
Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, Sugar, Coconut, and corn. Sibumatan, Mandaue, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines and secret history. Manila is the capital city.
Ako naman.